Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. We got a big box full of caladiums from Proven Winners, and if you guys watched my video unboxing them, I decided to go ahead and start planting them. What's it gonna hurt? So let me show you the box. It's full of caladium bulbs, just bags and bags of bulbs, and I did get to choose. I got to give suggestions on what I wanted. So there are several different varieties in here, and we are going to try to plant as many as we can, and then we will keep them in the greenhouse, and hopefully we get them awake and get to enjoy them for a few months before winter, and we've got to put them back to sleep. My idea was to let them overwinter in containers indoors. So we got 3 of the bottle rocket caladium bulbs. So I'm gonna try to put, because I have 3 bags of these, I'm gonna try to put them in as big a container to fit as many as possible into here. And then I have another slightly bigger container right here. So I'm gonna try to fit as many of them as possible into one to 2 to 3 bigger containers. They have marked all the bulbs so that you know which is the top and which is the bottom. So everything that is painted white, I'm going to plant like this in the pot. The next one that I'm going to plant is Heart to Heart Raspberry Moon. Next, we're going to plant Heart to Heart Lemon Blush. Next up, we are planting Heart to Heart Blushing Bride Caladium. Next up, we're planting Heart to Heart Caribbean Coral. last but not least, we are planting Heart to Heart Bold and Beautiful Caladium. These are some nice big Caladium tubers in this one. Oof, look at that. This is big. All right, we've got them all planted. So we've got a tray here. There was one that I was not able to label, but okay. So this one right here is another Bold and Beautiful. So don't let me forget that. I always forget that stuff. All right, let's move this down. Let's put the heavier stuff down there. That. Let's move these guys this way. Okay, sorry. So there's one tray. There's another tray up here. And this actually, planting these went faster than I expected them to, which is wonderful. And we got 3 pots down here of the fancy, of course fancy, but the Bottle Rocket. And this one is Raspberry Moon. This one is Bottle Rocket. And these guys, hopefully, I mean, everything they need, temperature wise, soil wise, water wise, they'll get here in the greenhouse. I'm keeping them in the greenhouse just to protect them from any critters or anything that wants to dig in the pots. I keep the screen down on the greenhouse, so you know we don't have like tons of bugs flying around in here. So yeah, but anyways, while we're in here, let's do a little greenhouse tour, because I did bring some house plants out here, and I don't know if you've guys seen them from other videos, but I've got my Monstera Tycon out here. We've got an anthurium. Is this magnificum? Yep. Those caladium cuttings, still haven't planted them. I've got some orchids out here, down here. There's orchids here, begonias. This one I can't remember what it's called, but it has the most beautiful bloom, and it starts with an M, I believe. But we've got the orchids. This one is getting ready to bloom. We've got a fern out here. I need to get these plants some water here soon. But also put out another anthurium. This is Caladium. And I just repotted it into one of those thrifted planters that I bought from the thrift store. So it looks good in this. I think it'll be really happy out here this summer. I've got a philodendron. Oh gosh, what's the name of this? I know it. I'll put it on the screen. Philodendron. And then we've got some succulents that I showed you guys in a haul not too long ago. This is just soup. It's supposed to be those water plants, like is it a water lily? Anyways, I followed some directions from YouTube on how to start them, and it's a water lotus, that's right, and it looks nasty, so I need to do something about that. Let's turn this way. Got a staghorn fern right there. Here's some other caladiums. I got these from Lowe's and they died completely, but I saved the tubers and then I replanted them and now they're coming back. This is a canna that has not come up. These were supposed to be peanuts. They haven't come up. I got a pink princess out here. I'm hoping for bigger foliage on her. This is just random weeds. These are to help weigh down the greenhouse so that it doesn't blow away in the windstorms. This is a fig that I started from cuttings. I need to repot it actually. Peanuts that I can plant. Begonias. Another weighted pot. Over here I have begonias that I started from seed that I need to plant. These are climbing spinach that I need to plant. We've got some Hoya, well, one Hoya here, and then another orchid, and then some lettuce that I picked up off the ground here when all my trays fell on the ground a couple months ago. So there's some random lettuce, and that's about it that's in here. I'm gonna bring more plants into here, but I really need to pull up these pavers and kind of try to re-level things again. So I'll do that really soon, but let me take a step back so you can kind of see what it looks like in here, and then we'll close her up. Yep. And there it is. So it has been exactly 1 week. 1 week today that we planted the caladium bulbs. So let me show you guys what they look like. And we're in the middle of a humidity heat dome here in Ohio. So excuse the sweaty frizziness. Anyways, so this pot right here, bottle rocket, we already have tubers waking up. So we've got this here above the soil, here, and I believe there's tubers all around here. And this pot of the bottle rocket, we've got one tuber awake over here. And then in this pot, this is raspberry moon. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 growth points sticking out of the soil. And then we've got our tray up here. Let's see if there's anything going on. I know there is, but let's see. Okay, so here for the blushing bride, we got a growth point there. Anything over here? Not yet. I think there is a little growth point. Nope. That might be the only one. But we've got one bulb awake out of all these. which is like, I mean, for a week in soil, like that's really good. Let's go over here to this side. Now this is bold and beautiful. There is a growth point right there that's awake. Let's see about any place else. Nothing over there, nothing here. The soil is kind of pushed up right there, but nothing sticking out. There's so many bugs in the soil, look at that. Just writhing around. I'm not gonna do anything about that. They're outdoors, there's going to be bugs in them. That's just inevitable. And then this part, you can see the white part this is supposed to be under soil, but you can see the little growth coming out here. That looks like roots. And then I see my growth point here. And then there's one growth point starting right there. So everything's moving along. For a week, I'm not unhappy about this. Especially starting them this late, to have growth this soon is like amazing to me. However, we've got all the right conditions for them to start in this greenhouse. There's heat, there's humidity, there's moisture in the soil. The soil's moist. It is hot here, and they've got plenty of sun. So I'm not surprised that they are waking up as quickly as they are. If we were still having that cooler, spring weather, they would take much longer, but I'm not surprised that they're up. I'm happy that they're up. I'm excited that they're up. So yeah, that's our update. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can find all of these Caladium varieties on the Proven Winner site or in your local stores. I don't believe any of them are not currently out yet, but I will double check as I'm editing this video, and I'll put something up on the screen for you. But I believe they're all in store. So if you want them, check your local stores. Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart sell Proven Winners. Any place that, any greenhouse or big box store that sells Proven Winners, check them out to get your own Caladiums. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next video.